Hello paper crafting family, welcome to this month's craft for Paper and Joy. We are going to make one of these scratch cards that you can give as a gift, whether you pair that with your Father's Day card that we made in the paper section, paper pack, or you give it to somebody else or as a separate gift at another time. That's up to you. So I hope you have fun making this. As you can see, I've revealed one of the scratchy things. So in your packs you will get these. You get some bowls, a paintbrush, the gift ideas, as in the things you scratch off, and some pre-prepared scratch paint, which is a mixture of metallic paint and dish soap. You'll also need, from your paper pack, the two long ribbons that were in your paper pack, your scratching template, and some of your foil. So if you watch my paper video, the card video first, this is the foil that I did manage to flatten out after making that video. So so you'll need your foil as well to decorate. Now you can also, if you want, you can use the heart templates as well, or whatever you want to decorate. But I've chosen some foil strips and some ribbon. So let's go. So we'll grab the base. Now this one will take a little bit of time because I found the paint. I did 3 coats for this paint, and it took about half an hour to dry in between each section. So that's why I've given you a 2 bowls one. You can pop some water in for your brush so that it doesn't dry out. Okay. So you can have as many of these gift scratch elements as you like. I might do 4 for this one. I did 6 on the other one, but I might do 4 for this one. So just cut out the ones you want, or if you like to choose your own ones, you can make your own. The only thing you need to do is, when you write something or print something out, if you haven't got a laminator, these are laminated, but you can just put a bit of sticky tape on so that when you scratch the paint you don't wreck the paper underneath. So that's the only trick if you want to do your own. Okay, so then we'll just glue them in place. So as I said, you can have however many you can fit on there or would like to have on there. If you do have some double-sided tape, the plastic might adhere a little bit better to the card than with a glue stick, but if you don't, all good, just use your glue stick. So I've made this size so that it does fit into the card if you do want to give it as a gift as part of your Father's Day this year. Okay, there we go. So now we'll do the paint. Grab a piece of scrap paper, pop your thing on, and as I said, I won't finish the painting on this because it did take 3 layers and took a while to dry in between. Okay, so I've given you 1 bowl just to hold the packet in so it doesn't sort of spill. I've double bagged this just to make sure it doesn't spill as well, and then if you use a second bowl for water, just to pop your brush in between the coats. That's the right word I was thinking of. Alright, so this is your little paint bag. Open carefully, maybe have a tissue handy. I might pop in some paper towel in your packs as well, I think, just to wipe fingers and that sort of thing. Okay, so if you want, you can leave it in the bag or pour it out, up to you. So just grab some on your paintbrush and do quite a thick layer if you can. It just means less coats. It doesn't need to be neat because it's just going to be scratched off. It can be scratched just with your finger, doesn't need a coin. There we go. I just do one to show you. There. And then just got a little bit of water in there. So in between coats, it might be good to leave it in the bag because then you can seal it up so the paint doesn't dry. So as I said, that's just paint with dish soap to make it easier to scratch. Okay, now you can decorate your card. So you can do anything if you want to draw, if you want to put stickers on, if you want to whatever. As I said, use the the heart templates from the card pack. That's up to you. So I'm going to use oops, that's landed in the back. Good job. I'm going to use some ribbon and some foil strips. So just cut them from your foil, or you could use shapes. You could, cut some foil hearts. Just place them where you like. You can put them off the edges and then we'll just trim if you think that might look good. Where's my card? As I said, you can also layer on top ribbons on foil. Okay, glue stick, and let's get gluing. Again, sort of a bit gentle with the foil. Hope you don't tear it. And we'll cut the edge pieces off in a minute. And as you know, foil also has two sides, so there's the glossy side and the non-glossy. So depending on what look you're after, use that side. There we go. Okay, so we can trim the edges. So again, it's easier if you turn it over because then you've got the line to cut along. It's probably better to do this when it's all dry. I'm getting the paint, fingers in the paint. So decorate after you've done your painting and it's all dried. Okay, there we go. Now we can pop some of the ribbon on. And so there's two colours of ribbon that I've given you, so you can have a play with one colour, both colour, or put your own thing on. Up to you. I love how creative you guys are. Love seeing your pictures when you send them to me. Yep. There it's. Do a little one down the bottom. Again, sharp scissors are good with ribbons, so hopefully everyone's got a pair of nice sharp scissors. And one more. Oops. There we go. Okay, and we'll cut those edges off as well. Neaten it up. As I said, might be better to do this when it's all dry. Oops. That one wasn't sticking properly. Try more glue on that. Just have to wait until that's dry a bit. Okay, try again. There we go. Okay, so there we go, a fun scratch card. Hopefully you have fun with that. Hopefully the recipient that you give it to has fun with that. And I look forward to seeing your photos if you take some for me. That would be awesome. All right, enjoy that. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.